Alright, today I'm going to do a playthrough of my favorite arcade game, Killer Instinct.
Killer Instinct.
I love this game.
DJ Combo. Deep Thunder. Combo Breaker. Ready.
Not starting off well. Try to catch him on the juggle for the ultra here, but I don't think it's going to be possible. Nope. That's so frustrating. I can catch him a lot better on the arcade version. I think the emulated version actually runs faster since it's on better hardware, and I just can't line up that ultra. I can do it once in a while, but it's rare.
Ready.
Set up for the ultra. Come on. I'm trying to get it to where I can hit her, get that extra hit in. There we go. Oh boy. So far I'm not doing very good. I love that. It just kind of shakes the whole cabinet with the subwoofer inside of it. Now Riptor has a glitch with Combo's Ultra. He can never finish the Ultra all the way through. Let's see if I can do the Ultra and show you guys. It's pretty funny. It's funny with Combo, these little short combos you can pull off with him that are kind of unbreakable. At least not likely to be broken. Maybe if you're playing a real opponent who's just mashing away, you might be able to get it, but it's pretty great. Try to pull off the ultra on him. So he's probably going to miss this hit. Yeah. So you can never do very good with... you can't get a good combo with TJ Combo against Riptor. Saberwolf's my other main guy. I might even do more than one playthrough on this. I don't know, you guys may not really care, but I really love this game. Sorry, I'm getting a call. I'm trying to ignore it. that splash looks so ridiculous. So, like, for a game that's so 3D, that splash is just the flattest thing ever.
Fight on. Ready.
Combo will always rush you right after he knocks you down. It's so funny. And here he comes, and there he goes. Probably gonna get a combo breaker. No. Oh my god, 2 times. Ah, take that. What is going on? Come on.
Fight on. Ready.
I'm gonna try to do a humiliation on him because I hate this bastard. Oh, come on. Alright.
Glacius. Ready.
Try the humiliation again here. Here we go. Such a weird thing to do. I mean, Mortal Kombat had friendship. Let's say friendship and babalities around that time, but that's just a little odd, I think. It's funny, so it's unique at least. It wasn't just a direct Mortal Kombat ripoff. I used to have a lot of trouble with Spinal, but I learned just don't do a long combo on him and stay all over him. You give him a lot of room like that, he's going to teleport behind you, and just like that. He's down. I always like to stun him too, so I get a free few hits on him. No, come on. I think that's kind of a broken Ultra anyway, but on this, it's just, I cannot land it. I can go to the arcade today and land it, no problem. But even though arcade runs just a little slower than this, the loading screens, or the versus screen loads slower. It's very funny. I mean, it makes sense though, this computer is way more powerful, even if it's old, way more powerful than the arcade. The arcade had a 100 megahertz processor, so it's hilarious. Now I will say I've seen some funny glitches on here that I've never seen in the arcade. I don't know if it's just because it's MAME, or if maybe the arcades did have this and I just never ran into them.
Also victory.
Alright. I hope I get the good level. No, I didn't get the good level. This level's way tougher with him because you can't escape him at any point. What I always do is just stick with really, really short, quick combos and get him in the air, get him away from me and just stay back. He'll always kind of jump at you at some point or charge you and you can hit him while he's doing that. I wonder what logic there is that he flies higher than everyone else. It's like he's lighter weight. Okay. At least he didn't get his life back. I'm gonna see if I can do an ultra on him without losing, but we'll see. Just because it's fun. I can at least land that somewhat. I mean, he's still way in the air. It's really cool how this game had full motion video like this, but when you look back at it now, it's so grainy and so small resolution, it's hilarious. But this arcade was way ahead of its time. I don't care what anybody says. Mortal Kombat 2 didn't look like this. It didn't even have the same style, of course, but this game looked unbelievable compared to Mortal Kombat 2. Really, I can't think of any other... Mortal Kombat 2 looked good, but I can't think of any other game that looked anywhere near as good as this. I'm sure somebody will tell me in the comments that I'm wrong, but whatever. It's YouTube. Alright, the great credits music is always fun. It's very triumphant. It was always very loud in the arcade, so I'm just going to shut up and let you guys listen to all this. Possibly one of the best arcade soundtracks ever. I mean, this is really a good soundtrack. Especially at a time when most arcade games didn't have much music and they didn't sound very good when they did have a lot of music. I mean, this thing just stands on its own. Gotta at least see this opening.
Available for your home in 1995, only on Nintendo Ultra 64. Killer Instinct.
Alright, it's so good. I love this game so much. I could just sit here and watch the attract mode. It's hilarious. I'll probably still do another playthrough or two of this. I'd like to play it through as Saber Wolf or maybe even Orchid, one of those. Hopefully you guys enjoy these. I really don't know. I mean, it's a long video to have somebody watch, and I understand if you don't want to watch it, but there are some fans who want to see the game played all the way through and kind of see how it looks on, I guess, the Arcade1Up. It doesn't look much different, obviously, but I do have the custom controls. So hopefully I'll have the custom art here in the next month or two, and I can maybe do another run through of it. Until then, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and let me know what game you want me to play next. Preferably something from this games list, because I don't have much else, honestly. And I wanted it like that on purpose. So if you see one of these games and you want me to play through it, let me know. I'm not very good at any of the Street Fighter ones. I can't even guarantee I'd make it all the way through. I also have these two games that run on PC technically, but I wanted them. I'm definitely going to do one of Mortal Kombat 4, mainly because it's so hard for people to emulate, but we'll see. I love Hydro Thunder. I might play a few tracks of that even and just show you guys the game. It looks pretty good on the PC version. Well, thanks for watching. Click subscribe, all that stuff. I think I've already said all that, so here we go. Thanks.